Time check! Sawadee ka Tokon! Hello everyone! This is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning, everyone!
Thank you.
Rise and shine! Good morning, Philippines! Hello! Day, sino ka dyan? Make up time! Good morning, teacher! Morning, teacher Maria. Morning, teacher Jen. Thank you. Ang charger?
Pera o kahon?
Pera o bayong? Nakita mo talaga. Saan lang?
Yung mga luggage ko, andun sa luggage.
Bakit sa luggage sa lagay?
Hindi ko nga alam kasi nag-declutter ako. Pera o kahon?
Morning, Teacher Ming. Morning, teachers. Ming Galaba.
ว่าแบบมันสวยจริงๆเว้ยอย่างนี้พอเห็นสภาพจริงคือแบบป่วยปลอมแบบ
ทำเสียงอย่างนั้นด้วยเหรอ
แบบ
ทำไมไม่เอาตักน้ำราดหน้าเลยดีล่ะ
Bon appetit! Cheers! Sawadee-ka! O늘은 mukbang은 humba na baboy naka with rice. Yaru! Yaru! Taste? Masta! Masta! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Right, let's take attendance. Please sit properly. When I call your name, do not say here or present. Instead, I want you to say the name of your crush. It's okay if your crush is a celebrity or an idol. Okay, ready? Pudang-dang na, pud ready? Gan tawid. Ford? Ford, chanarong chimay? Chanarong? What comes down but never goes up? The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? What has a head but no brain? What has a head but no brain? Why do cats make good warriors?
Because they got knife.
Okay, very good. Excellent. 50 points. Next is J. What has a thumb and 4 fingers but is not a hand? What has a bottom at the top?
Your leg.
What has 13 hearts but no other organs?
A jack of heart.
What kind of coat is best put on wet?
A coat of pen.
What tastes better than it smells?
Your tongue.
Which is heavier, a ton of bricks or a ton of feathers?
Nature they would of a tongue.
Okay, excellent. Pyang. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Kopo na. Per doon. Kopo na. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Open mark na. That will be for next week. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Good morning, class. Please sit down.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Give me your score. Deal, we sit. 9 Tananchay. Kay Tuwad, 9 Tananchay. 4 Ice Tanwa. Alin na? 9 Stamp. 5 First Tanachot. 8 Tufo Siriwat. Nam Chatchanan. 7 Plam Satanan. 4 Pum Jacqueline. 10 Earth Chunlatit. Ano yan? Earth Chimay. 3 Nestle Kanika. Asan? Ay Chanyanuch. 9 El Nitima. 10 Yam Panisara. Absent. Fa Panida. 6 Saimay. Return the notebook to the owner. Give the notebook to the owner. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Okay, let's start. Dome. Hat. Tor. Hat to. Tong. Who's Tong? Really? Hey. What gets dirtier the more you wash it?
Water.
I never speak but can tell a story. What am I?
A photograph.
What type of fruit sounds like it should always come in twos?
Hair.
What question can you never answer yes to?
Are you sleep yet?
What can speak every language but never uses a voice?
Leche.
Yin. What has legs but doesn't walk? Keep your phones and iPad inside your bags. Only notebooks and pens should be on the table. Listen carefully. Focus and pay attention to today's lesson because after I finish discussing our topic, there will be an activity to test your understanding and see if you truly listened and learned something. Ready? Give me your score. Dream. 17. Jed. 23. Very good, Jed. Mark. 23. Very good. Tao. Akaw. 21. Very good. Tangmo. 21. Very good. Asia. 15. Cow. Very good. New Year. 23. Very good. Ay. Very good. Foam. 14. Nong. Supawadi. 23. New. Okay. That's it for today. Everybody stand up. Goodbye and thank you, class. See you next time. See you next week. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Ready? Give me the score. Cham Tanawat. 19. Patch. Purawit. 21. Very good. Arm. 3. Cow. Absent. Pan. 7. 7. Nak. 15. Captain. Captain. May ma. Kai. 7. Fluke. 3. Few. 14. Teal. 17. Diamond. Ja. 22. Very good. Fresh. 23. Very good. Plum. 13. Nay. Kawisara. Very good. Best. Jarirut. 14. Flyva. Absent. Kan. Piyakan. 17. Kaufang. 21. Very good. Phone. Binyapa. 20. 17. Baibua. 22. Very good. Chur. Sutini. 20. Very good. Aim. Yanisa. 7. Packard. Darapon. Igzalan. Packard. Ay. 23. Very good. Tay Nipa. 22. Very good. Kaupat. Binjarong. 19. Nay Porn Pawi. 20. Very good. Warawiwan. 21. Very good. Eve Ranchida. 22. Very good. Am Chalida. Okay. Tiddi Pacharia. 22. Very good. Return the notebook to the owner. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you. Thai bread with sweet corn filling ยาหรือ rightมัสตาร์ดอร่อยมากอร่อยมากๆเลย